Hey friends, welcome back to our channel where we show you how to fix up furniture using eco-friendly products. I'm going to jump right into the video here and show you a desk that I've had for about a year, I think. I bought it from a friend's mom who was downsizing, and when I saw her post, I knew it could look amazing. This style of desk is so popular right now, and there are a million different ways to refinish something like this. I was really lucky that there weren't any repairs to be made, first time I think. But I had to do a lot of sanding. I used my Surf Prep sander, which was a big investment I made at the beginning of this business. I know there are successful furniture painters who use other sanders, so I can't say that you need this one, but I think it was worth every penny, considering what I'm able to do with it. I covered up the top with my eco-friendly cover using the plastic and paper I saved from packages and mail. I didn't want to get any paint on the top. After I sanded off the old finish, I cleaned with a vinegar solution, scuff sanded the rest of the body, and primed using Country Chic clear primer. Next was painting time. I chose Country Chic Pea Coat for the desk, and I have another piece coming in that color as well, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. You should totally subscribe anyway. And be sure to follow us on Instagram, where I post updates on not only furniture, but green living in general. I ended up doing 3 coats of the pea coat, which I was surprised about. I don't usually need 3 coats, but I think I didn't quite cover up all the glossy finish in some spots, so I needed extra coats to help the paint adhere better. Drawers, I tried something new, Country Chic's furniture glaze in limestone. I wanted to slightly tone down the raw wood color of the top and the drawers, so I gave this a try. It's really similar to the washes I've done on 2 pieces already, but even easier. I'll definitely be using it again. I also used the glaze on the top of the desk. I made a last-minute change and decided to protect the desk with Country Chic's clear wax and use their clear coat on the top. Each time I use this wax, I love it more and more. I love how it melts into the wood and comes off so smoothly. No doubt, wax is more work than a liquid top coat. You really have to work it into the piece. I had to drink some water and eat a snack halfway through, but the end result is worth it. And I find there's less that can go wrong with wax, so it's a lot less stressful for me, so the extra time is worth that peace of mind. For some reason, I made it hard on myself again and decided to put the clear coat on long ways. I keep forgetting to go across first. I'm using Country Chic's clear coat for this top. But it's all good. The thing is to remember not to worry about missed spots on the first coat. I missed some sections in the middle, but got those the second time when I went vertically across the top. I did the second coat with low light because I can see the coverage better, so I didn't film that part. So here's a reminder of what the desk used to look like, and here it is now. I love how the glaze softened the wood without covering up the grain. This classic navy and wood combination will elevate any space, and I love that it was finished with 100% eco-friendly products from small businesses that are for people and planet. If you like what we did, like and share this video and be sure to subscribe. See you next time!